In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Word document using ILovePDF. This is a quick and handy tool, especially if you find yourself needing to edit the content of a PDF or simply want a more flexible file format. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the ILovePDF website. You can easily find it by typing ILovePDF into your search engine or using the URL ilovepdf.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of online PDF tools that cater to different needs, from merging and splitting PDFs to compressing them. But today, our focus will be on converting a PDF to a Word document. On the ILovePDF homepage, look for a button or tab that says PDF to Word. This is your gateway to initiating the conversion process. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a dedicated PDF to Word converter page. This tool is user-friendly and doesn't require any downloads, making it practically accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a web browser. Next, it's time to select the PDF file that you need to convert. Look for the Select PDF File button. Clicking this will prompt you to browse through your device's storage. Whether your file is located in your Downloads folder, Documents, or Desktop, find the right one and select it. If you store your files in the cloud, ILovePDF also supports integration with Google Drive and Dropbox, which makes it exceptionally convenient for accessing your documents from anywhere. Once your file is chosen, it's now queued and ready for conversion. The next step is to hit the Convert to Word button. This is where the magic happens. ILovePDF will promptly convert your PDF file into a Word document. Typically, the conversion process happens rather quickly, but the time it takes can vary based on the size of your PDF file and your internet speed. Rest assured, the process is straightforward and doesn't require any technical know-how. As soon as the conversion is complete, ILovePDF will provide you with a download link to your newly converted Word document. Simply click to download and your file will be saved to your device, ready for editing and further use. Remember though, while it does an excellent job with the conversion, the complexity of your original PDF might affect how the document looks in Word. You might need to adjust formatting slightly once it's in Word, but ILovePDF does an impressive job preserving the document layout. And that's it! You've successfully converted a PDF into a Word document. ILovePDF is an incredible tool for those who frequently work with PDFs and need the flexibility of converting files to Word format. Give it a try and see how effortless it can make your document management tasks.